I've got a plan to get us anywhere. Working at a convenience store. Managed to save just a little bit of money. Won't have to drive too far. Just cross the border and into the city. You and I can go get out and finally see what it means to be living. Oh yeah. You see, my old man's got a problem. We live in a model that's crazy. You say it's 42 old for working. I say it's 42 young, looking like his. My mama went off and left him. She wanted more than life than he can give. I said somebody got to take care of him. So I quit school, that's what I did. Ooh, yeah. You got a fast car. Is it fast enough so we can fly away? We got to make a decision. We'll leave tonight or leave and die this way. So remember when we're driving in your car, speed so fast up and like I was young. See the lights lay out.
Yeah, man, some healthy living are going today, you know. Some juice, you know. Later, you know, we have brought up some cooking, you know. So we have to healthy out the thing, even out the thing, you see. Can't save them if you boil tea, you know. Yeah. The top chef, man. Make some fresh juice, no water added, no sugar.
I saw you from the wrong pick. Oh, I'm bad love.
I'll still do anything for you. I'll play your game.
Yeah, man, have some fresh juice. Yeah, make sure you know follow the top chef, you know, the bad chef, you know, the Jamaican top chef, you know. Look at that. We have vibes out on the Sunday, you don't know it early, so some juice we are going to blend up right now, you see me? Now blend up. Cold, we are press it, you know, the cold press. You see me? We are press the juice, you see me? Squeeze out all of the vitamins and everything. You can.
Which one again?
Anyone you want? Sure. Alright, you see this now? You can hang up this, make it dry. You see me I say? For a few days when it dry, you can use it to boil tea. You see me I say? You can put crushed piece of ginger and put in it and it bad. Yeah man, me have a tutorial on my page. Follow the page, you see me? Yeah man. Because we don't waste nothing, you know. See me I say, alright, right now papaya. I want a bigger knife. Do you want to end this? Please. The kitchen bitch.
Kitchen bitch?
That's the name.
The name?
Alright. Ready for the reveal now? Beautiful, ain't it? Alright, we'll save half for tomorrow. Feel that one, you know. Use my little sharp knife, you know. Think now go hold on.
Because I read these things in prophecy. When the
Rain start falling down.
they got no water,
What's up?
they're gonna bow down to the ground, wishing that they were under. When the stars start falling down and fires burning.
Alright, take out the seed. All the seed good enough. I'm not use the seed today, no?
A whole lot of people will be mourning. Everyone will be mourning. If I'm the reason why my love will disappear. If I'm the reason why your love will fade from my dear.
Yeah, man.
Now, breaking your body. rising. Don't wanna be here. I'm in the wrong place to be. Can't find the reason why my love won't disappear. Can't find the reason why your love will fade from my ear. Now I'm praising your body, so it's me. If it's rising, don't wanna be here. I'm in the wrong place to be. Oh, and I'm longing to love you just for a night. Singing, hugging, until you die. Please let me love you with all of my mind.
Yeah, man, just dice them up called the cold press. So we have small, isn't it?
The reason that we feel our feelings so won't disappear. And after the love game that we played, all of the illusions we just separate, and all the reasons starts with me.
La, 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 la. Make sure you now follow the page, you know. They have all Jamaican recipes, you know. Done the TopChef way, you know. And we not go school for this, you know. Yeah, man. We are learn from we young. Alright. Yeah, that's all done. You see me I say? We have the ginger, but we are going to deal with the fine first. Can't plant back this, you know. Nothing no go to waste. Could all juice the skin, you know, but you have to boil and everything there, you know.
What's the fruit called you just peeled? Somebody said, what's the fruit called you just peeled?
It's called papaya. Okay? Papaya. You know papaya? Yeah. You got juice them down, isn't it? It complements the juice. Complements the juice, but also it's full of vitamins, you know what I mean? Alright, look at now, I teach you now a thing. Pineapple. You see me I say? You know why pineapple? What you done say to him? Why it juke up on your tongue?
Hold on, I'm going to say right now.
Why you feel pineapple juke and I know why the reason. It's because it have small needles in it. This fruit have some small microscopic needles in it. That's why when you eat a lot, it irritates your tongue. You see me? So you see pineapple, if you put it under a microscope right now, you're going to see some small needles in it. You see me? Look it up. Yeah man, you learn that from the TopChef, you see me? That's why it irritates your tongue, because it bruises your tongue, actually.
You can show them how to make it look.
Show them. Let me show you look. Pre-war go on.
You can see?
Mm-hmm.
That's how they
See,
look.
when pineapple go under a microscope, that's how it look, you know. You see them fine needle that get lodged in your tongue and irritate it. You see me?
The needles are called what? Rapide? It's called rapid?
We'll call it needle. Pineapple. Pineapple.
I have a pineapple in my head. Oh, it's a pineapple.
Keep your work area clean, you know. So you have less cleaning to do when you finish. You see me? You see this now, we are going to scrape it. Let me scrape it. You can see what I'm going. You know what a funny thing? My daughter named Ginger, you know. Yeah, my daughter named Ginger, but it's spelled with a J, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. She just born the other day. Couple months back.
Somebody said nice fruit salad. I mean, it could be a fruit salad. But
yeah, it could be a fruit salad, you know, but we are going to turn it in a juice salad now. Alright? You scrape your ginger, isn't it? And you want to peel the fruits, especially if you live in America, you know? Yeah, because you know say all type of pesticide. What you call it? Pesticide?
Pesticides and wax and stuff,
yeah, man. You know say the apple them have on wax on it too. Now if you look like you want to cut me or something to blow. Some fresh juice, you know, no water, no sugar added. You know what I mean? At the TopChef, you know. Make sure you don't follow the TopChef too, you know. And big up on yourself, isn't it? Later we have to cook some pork chops. So you see me? We have to, we don't say mix the healthy and the pork. You see me? Because you don't know pork. Have to cook. You see me? So all I rasta them. They never try pork before. All I know I tell. You don't eat pork and they're quiet. Yeah, man. So I'm not go ahead and tell me say I don't eat pork. Yeah, man, we murder pork around here. Yeah, man. You ever see them kill a pig before? And murder a pig.
They really do for real?
Yeah, they stab them in the heart.
Really?
And bust off in throat.
But why did they do the throat instead of stepping hard?
You ever see them kill a goat? Remember in Jamaica when they went?
Obviously, what they cut it, but I see them.
Yeah, the goat, they murder a goat now. You hold in head and just bust in throat in hand. You hold in hand and bust in throat.
Never did that?
No, I see it done, you know. I'm a country guy.
I don't know why they never make it too young.
What you say, you know, no ginger?
I'll taste it. I'll taste it with ginger. Because you're going to make one whole thing, right?
Alright, this me I'm going to juice this. See how much mason jar we're going to get out of this. You see how much fruit we have? Alright.
You could get so many jars.
How much jar you think me I'm going to get out of
How
this?
big the jar is?
Here's a mason jar. How much mason jar? You see me? Eh?
It's different size mason jar.
Who's this one?
Of course, it's different sizes.
Alright, get the machine ready now, you know? How this work again? I don't remember, you know? Alright, that piece there. That piece there. That piece there. That piece there. That piece, yeah.
The orange piece they get the most.
Yeah, the orange will give you most of the drink. Alright. You have your trash collector. You have your... If I catch the juice, isn't it? Look at explain. So how much mason jar am I going to get out of this? We add no water, no sugar, just straight juice. We have pineapple. We have papaya. We have ginger and we have orange. Damn. No man, you don't need no water. Me never like watermelon, brother. That's why I tell you the truth. Yeah. Eat watermelon, no, me no juice, me no like the juice. Me a second there.
Someone said a lot of sugar for that.
No sugar added.
Someone said 2 jars.
2 jars. You will use a regular juice, you know. Turn on back the light. Alright, I'm ready. Go remember. What the next piece then?
Yeah, I'm missing.
Alright. You have to mix them up, you know. Larissa, you laugh? Natural juice, no water added, you know. No watermelon. You mix up the orange, you know. Pineapple, everything. Ginger. What do I say?
Someone said how about adding lemon?
Oh, that. Me have a taste with it too. Me I do the lemon. Give me 2 of the lemon. Lemon?
Yeah, we have lemon and lime. We have lime too, but which one do you want?
Lemon. Give me lemon.
Which one of lemon is? What do you think so?
Everything a lemon. You know what I think now. 2 of them are the same thing.
So which color you want then?
Give me yellow lime. Yellow lime, make it. 2 lime. 2 lime, isn't it? Alright. So I'm saying I have to go mix it up. It full up. Too much juice, me get out of it already. First mason jar. We are going to strain it when we're done. Alright, you know, sometimes it's nice with the pulp. You know what I mean? Everything not done yet. Put it back. You open back there. Here too, I think me I go. I have to go empty it, you know.
We gonna rock it tonight. We gonna rock it tonight. We gonna rock it tonight. We gonna rock it tonight.
So we are strain it up style, isn't it?
We gonna rock it tonight. We gonna rock it tonight.
Natural juice, isn't it? Use the orange to push down the juice, them, you know, cause the fiber from the watermelon, from the pineapple, now go through the thing properly, so you have to use the orange to get it down, you know what I mean?
Someone said you need to get number J. What's that? Let me get number J.
Which juice, sir?
Number J.
this I wanna go and do it for now still, but let me look up, may I make baby look up that. Look up that one there, baby. The Jamaican TopChef, you know.
If they buy the recipe, go we can buy it. If they buy the recipe, go we can buy it. It look nice though still.
What's your name? Nah, my J2. Yeah man, that look nice still. How much it cost? $550 for a juicer. And this I do the same thing. Just maybe 20 more minutes longer. I think I must stick with this one.
She says it's the best if you're into natural juice.
Yeah? Alright, I'm gonna check it out. I'm gonna check it out, alright? But 500, how much is it? $550. We're gonna go vegan after that, cause every day we have to go.
It's a cool press. Isn't this a cold press too? No?
That one is a cool press.
That's what she said, yeah.
This one is a cold press. I drew up my name. But I saw it name though. Yeah man, some orange, papaya, ginger, no water added. There's so much me get already. Look on that. Look at that. Baby girl. Alright. Somebody said if you add lemon, one day if it tastes good with lemon though. Maybe. Alright. Second mason jar, you know. Fresh juice, no water. Added. What's the problem? What's the problem, girlies? Jazzy, what's up, baby? Yeah, yeah. All right. Where's the Jazzy one?
Jazzy finish it? Where's the straw?
Come. What's up?
All right. Okay, no song that. Man, I say send for Spanish fly. Blow, wow. Full of pulp, we have to strain it out. So we actually get 2 mason jars. The one if me fi add the, I got hold on first. Before me add the melon. Before me add the lime. No lime. A lime me I call it. Before me add the lime them, the yellow lime, I got strain out that first and see how it tastes. Whoa! All right.
She said it takes literally 10 minutes to juice 4 32-ounce mason jars of juice.
Yeah?
That's fast still. Keisha fitness, like this shit she working on.
Alright. For in the next one? No, where the one where the name?
Keisha fitness.
No, where the machine name?
Oh, John was it John? Nama J2. No, this is like. TopChef, hey, friend and Mike. Hey,
Big up everybody in our chat, you know. Make them know stay at the TopChef, you know. Yeah, man, check out the page, man. We cook everything, man. Anything we cook. You see me? The TopChef way, you see me? The Jamaican way. Just like how the ancestors used to do it. But the ancestors never have no ninja machine. They used to squeeze it. You see me? And grater. What else they used to do? Squeeze and grater it.
there's some juice in the thing still.
What name, sir?
In the part right there. Look at this.
I'm going to clear up now.
Someone, the one that said hi to us, said you need to add to the cookbook. You could do the recipe for us.
Yeah, I need to add it to the cookbook for real. I do a part 2 for the cookbook, you know. So anybody don't have my cookbook as yet, the link is in my bio. You know what I mean? If you want to support the TopChef, you can go there, you know what I mean? So me can get the machine, what name? The machine name?
Nama J2. Because you said
Nama J2, one $500 machine where somebody in I comment say me forget. So.
You said it's expensive, but it's worth it.
So if you worth it, you go support the TopChef, purchase it, the new recipe book, the link is in my bio, guys. Yeah, and big up on yourself, isn't it? Follow the page. Alright, before me rinse out this. Before me go to what you call it now? God damn. Fresh juice, no water, no sugar. Baby girl, you want some juice?
One juice, I think? Look, one juice, then it makes juice.
Alright, we get 1.5. So me I go put lemon in the half cause me think it bad by itself still.
What happened?
So you get some juice, man. So alright, before we put in the lemon, I clean out this. Damn. Alright, we get 2 juice out of it. I put some lemon in one of them and see how it tastes now, isn't it? Take out some of them fat.
This is not a surprise. Every fat thing on computerized. To me, under me fat thing, me under me fat thing. Under me fat thing, she under me. Under me fat thing, me under me fat thing. Under me fat thing, she under me.
Alright. I peeled it. Make sure it tastes good enough. Somebody suggests we add lemon to it. So me add lemon to the least amount that I got. You see me? Yes guys, the new recipe book is out now. The link is in my bio. You want to support the Top Chef, just go purchase that book. Look at that, part 2 soon drop there. See me I say? Yeah man, you don't know a digital book, you know what I mean? You download it, you buy it, and it download instantly. Yeah, the link in my bio. New recipe book, it's out now. At the Top Chef. I go by the name of Dundyplace, and I follow the page for all of the Jamaican recipes. Cook it just like how the ancestors used to do it. Look at that.
Someone said, what you said about the juice, are you seeing it already? With that, the other one, you can put everything in that one, leave it and come back.
Yeah?
And it said just 1 lemon. How much lemon you said?
Oh, 1 lemon? You don't can't wait it. You gotta try to cook it tonight. So I mix some lemonade with the rest. Sunday vibes, you know? Sunday vibes when you reach from the Top Chef live, you know? You feel all alright, you know? Ginger, you wake up, Ginger. Yeah, we had juice up some juice. One of my daughter named Ginger. Listen me I say about me spell it with a J. It was all my idea.
Don't do that though.
You know?
Don't do that. Go sit.
Ready? Alright. Throw a little juice in it.
Which one you put in? The half one? And then you put the ice? Too much?
No, sir. You throw a little juice on there, I think. I will suggest the line.
What's her name? Nene something?
Nene.
Nene forever 25.
Yeah, me I carry this down here, you know.
You set me up.
Yeah, alright still. It's good. I'm just joking.
Come, Jazzy.
Yeah, so that's it. We get 2 mason jars, you see me, I say natural juice. You see me, I say one with lime, one without lime. We use some papaya. You see me, I say we use pineapple. We use ginger. And we use some orange. You see me, I say look at that. Yeah, man. No, it's good, man. It's good. I'm just joking. It's good. The one with the lemon is good. That one them I go beat right now. It's bad, isn't it? It's nice. Isn't it? Yeah, man. So big up on yourself. Make sure you purchase the new recipe book. The link in my bio. You see me? I say at the Top Chef. I'm good. Big up yourself. JC, big up yourself. Go on. We're gonna cook some food later, you see me? We have some pork chops on the menu later, you see me? Round about, check me back about 5 o'clock we start the pot. You see me? I say, link up the Top Chef 5 o'clock. Yo, big up in the JC. Yeah, man, some carrot to the body now. But you know what I do with the carrot? Make the carrot with beet. You see me? I say, nice cleansing thing that, you see me? Full of vitamin, you see me? Yeah, man, JC, yeah, man, link up back 5 o'clock. We are going to cook the pot. Look at that. At the Top Chef. Make sure you follow the page and purchase the new recipe book. The link in my bio. Yeah, man, 5 o'clock. You see me, I said? Yeah, man. The lemon one bad, man. So this was juice, no water, no sugar. You see me, I said? That's how the Top Chef do it. All day, all week. You see me, I said before as I wake up and before I go to sleep, you take a shot. You see me, I say? Alright, that's a nice one, Keisha. Carrot, dates, thyme and ginger. Alright, me have to go try out that one day, you know. Yeah, man. Yo, make sure you check back in 5 o'clock. We are going to start the pot. We have some pork chops. Yeah, man, you see me, I say it go sweet like drops. Yeah, man, at the Top Chef, you know. Look at that. Yo, Jazzy, what up? What up? Alright. Yeah, man, the Top Chef gone. You see me, I say? I was making some juice, JC. Later, we are going to make some pork chops and some white rice. You see me, I say? The Top Chef way. You see me? So, big up everybody who check in. Keisha, big up yourself. Thanks to the follow. And we link up back 5 o'clock. You see me? Yeah, man, the Top Chef out. Look at that. We're gone.